mu rukiko rwaba rushitamira hoteli ya New Fort View muri Fort Portal City rwaba rwetabiremo abashaho beby'amatungo abeby'amagara eby'obuhingi badisi n'abakuru kurwa mu kitongore cyo kurinda nyamishwa cya Uganda Wildlife Authority kandi rwaba rugenderero kwegesa abatura okuba kubasa kurihirwa abanyuma y'enyamishwa okubasisira emisiri yabo hamwe n'amatungo.
Government has earmarked this scheme and has set 2% of the Uganda wildlife revenues, which will be used for compensating people. Parliament can also add more money. It will appropriate more money in case this money is not enough. And in the event that still the money is not enough, the board has been allowed to solicit for donations that can support the scheme.
Bamwe omba bari mu mushomogu nabo bahereza yo kwetombita kwabo.
They should be ideally equipped with the knowledge of the printings, the footprints of these animals. So that when they go to the site, I should be knowing this damage was caused by the wildlife animal of interest.
Tubaire obutwaba tuli mu mushomogu nutwara na bagamba ngo enkenda hizo nobo kutwara yo musango gwawo gunyegerire ngo enkende zigusisiye teba compensating arundi kusasura habo kuba enkende ezo baziclassifyingire mu category eyebisoro ebitayina mani muno so hati aho naito ntukurora haroho weaker point rundi haroho ekihuru kandi aho ntusaba ba Uganda Wildlife Authority kurora ebisoro bine bindi nkenkende no busoro bundo buteto nabo ba considering.
We have said that compensation only occurs when the damage occurs outside the protected area, outside the conservation area. And if someone is within the conservation area, then that is not a compensatable issue. It's not a compensatable incident.
Itekeri nirigamba ngu enyamishwa kuzakwita omutura heru yirindiro ry'enyamishwa nashashura sente zitakurenga miliyoni 20 hamwe n'ebindi. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.